Hello everyone, this is Manjunath from CP Plus Experience Center, Bangalore. CP Plus has launched a new model in EasyCam series, CPT31A. It's a 3MP Wi-Fi PT surveillance color camera. Comes with bulb-shaped body. Its 3MP image sensor provides high-quality recording without any pixelation. Having a micro SD card helps you to record audio and video, save up to 256 GB. It also comes with latest compression technique, that is H.265, to record 3MP high resolution video on less bitrate. Can store just a double number of days. This camera supports pan and tilt function, which provides complete 360-degree view. Also, it supports 3 different IR mode, two-way talk mode, motion tracking, motion detection alert, privacy mode, built-in siren. Also, this T31A model can be integrated to Google Assistant and Alexa. Thank you and keep buying CP Plus products.